Hey, doctors and healthcare providers. We know that as busy professionals, your main focus is always your patients, but let's face it, admin work can really pile up and take you away from what truly matters. Today, we're diving into something that might just help you lighten that load: outsourcing prior authorization. Stick with me as we talk about how this can benefit your practice and why it might be the game changer you've been looking for. Now, before we get into the details, let's quickly break down what prior authorization actually is. It's that process where you need to get approval from insurance companies before certain treatments, procedures, or medications can be covered. But here's the catch: it can be incredibly time-consuming and complex. You're spending hours dealing with insurance details, patient information, and, honestly, it can feel like a never-ending task. But what if there's a way to delegate all of this? What if you didn't have to deal with the tedious back and forth anymore? That's where outsourcing comes in. By partnering with experts who specialize in prior authorization, you're freeing up time and resources that can go right back into providing care to your patients. Think about it: when you outsource, you reduce the administrative burden. You're no longer stuck with your team spending countless hours just trying to get approvals. Instead, you can have a dedicated team handling that for you, so your practice can focus on what it does best: taking care of patients. And the benefits don't stop there. Let's talk about efficiency. Outsourcing companies specialize in prior authorizations, so they know exactly what insurance companies need and how to get the information to them quickly. They have the tools, the resources, and the expertise to handle the process in a fraction of the time. That means fewer delays, fewer rejections, and most importantly, faster approvals for your patients. Now, here's something that might surprise you: cost savings. You might think outsourcing would be an extra expense, but in the long run, it actually saves you money. With fewer administrative tasks to manage in-house, you can cut down on staffing costs and avoid those pesky claim denials. Plus, outsourcing ensures that everything is submitted correctly, meaning you won't be dealing with costly billing errors down the line. Another major benefit? Cash flow. When your prior authorization process runs smoothly, billing and payments follow suit. No more delayed authorizations leading to delayed payments. Everything happens faster, and that helps keep your practice's cash flow healthy and steady. And let's not forget about reducing errors and denials. We've all been there: missed information, incorrect codes, or delays in submission, and suddenly, you're facing an insurance denial. Outsourcing to a team that's dedicated to handling these tasks can drastically reduce those errors. These professionals are trained to navigate complex insurance guidelines, making sure that submissions are spot on every time. Speaking of smooth processes, let's talk about your patients for a second. They want fast, efficient care. The quicker their prior authorization goes through, the quicker they can get the treatments or medications they need. And when your practice delivers that smooth, timely service, you build loyalty and satisfaction. Happy patients are repeat patients, and that's something every healthcare provider strives for. Lastly, by outsourcing prior authorization, you're freeing up your team to focus on what matters most: delivering quality care. Admin tasks like this can be overwhelming, but by delegating them, you get to put your energy back into patient care, improving service delivery, and ultimately, making sure your patients get the attention they deserve. And this is where Staffingly can step in and help. At Staffingly, we specialize in providing healthcare outsourcing services like prior authorization, tailored specifically to your needs. Our team knows the ins and outs of insurance processes, and we're here to help you smooth your workflow, reduce costs, and improve patient satisfaction. We handle the paperwork, so you can handle your patients. Let us know your thoughts in the below comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning into Staffingly, Inc.